If you are looking for a safe, reliable and high-performance industrial pressure cooker, this model from Jingi Machinery is your ideal choice. This pressure cooker can process a wide range of solid materials, including bone soup, chicks, beans, seafood, fish, rice and more. It supports cooking at temperatures above 100 degrees, which accelerates material maturation and improves production efficiency. In addition, equipped with the Jingi Intelligent Control System, your production process becomes extremely simple. Standardized mass production can be achieved with only one operator, effectively reducing production and management costs. We are a professional manufacturer of food processing machinery with 16 years of experience in the design and production of food processing equipment. We can provide you with high-quality machines and reliable solutions to help you achieve efficient production.